Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for clicking on the video. So this week I've been very kindly invited down south by Dustin from Bushcraft Tools to come and spend a few days with him and a few other guys in his woodland where he's done all his shelter builds. You've definitely seen some of his videos. He makes some epic camps. We're going to do a camp in his woodland tonight, and then we're going to hit the coast tomorrow and do a coastal catch and cook camp, which I'm really looking forward to. Should be a good one. Really happy to be here. Welcome. Let's go and have a look at the camp. Good girl.
Whatever's width that you need to make for each frame, all but through.
I'm Rolfie. I don't need a YouTube channel because I don't want to put you guys out of business. So,
Yes bro, killing it.
welcome to the camp.
Hey, I'm Care from Care Bear Adventures. I make videos. I've written a book called How to Get Land for Free. Me and Dustin built this, and it's a pleasure to meet you, Craig. Legend.
You too, brother. Let's have a good camp, man. Let's have a few beers. This guy doesn't need any introduction, but here we are. I heard you want to give your mother a shout out or something.
Hi Mum, if you're watching, please send me more pocket money. Thank you.
Dustin, thanks for having us, man.
Hey, no worries. It's a pleasure having you down here. Checking out the camp.
Community spirit. Community spirit, I like it.
Tomorrow night's going to be good though, on the beach.
Coastal camp, catch and cook.
Alright. Boom.
There she goes, man. Top job.
Obviously, he's been on the civvy straight
effort.
too long.
Woo! Love it.
So we've all been having a go on Dustin's very big tool, haven't we?
Oh yeah, very big tool.
What do you think of Dustin's big tool, man?
It's a fantastic tool. Made by Silky.
Dustin's big silky tool.
Can't get enough of it.
Well, it's been an awesome day so far. I've had a few beers already, I'll be honest with you. We've just been chatting around the fire. I'm just coming to get my charger. So I'm going to do a one pot cook later. I'm going to get back on the chicken stew, cooked in beer, cooked in a real ale. But yeah, just chilling. All the boys are proper sound. Definitely go check out Care's channel. He had a viral video about how to claim woodland for free, basically. Really good, interesting, informative video.
Chicken wings. Oh yeah. Cooking good in the woods.
Hello, girl. Ooh. Well, I'm just going to leave that to simmer for a little bit. Get it away from the fire. Smelling good, mate. What a morning. Look at that. That was a great kip in the roundhouse last night. It didn't take me long to get to sleep with that fire on in there. It was lovely and toasty. I'm stoked to go to the beach today. I've just been watching that sunrise. Absolutely beautiful. The stew turned out really well last night. Everyone had a little bit of that. We cooked up a load of chicken and stuff. So yeah, it was a really good evening. Everyone's still asleep. Morning, pal. How are we?
Mate, I was toasty warm in this sleeping bag.
Yo.
Oh, what movie do you have on?
So we've just made it to the beach car park. We're a little bit ahead of Dustin and the other lads. So just going to chill here for a little bit and then head down to the beach, go find our spot for the evening. Got a great day for it. The weather's absolutely bliss. No tarp or tent today. I'm going to sleep straight under the stars in the bivvy bag. Hopefully it's a clear night. Wake up to them nice waves in the morning. Stoked, mate. Here comes a young Orlando bloom. And I'm on the Rioja. And of course I got a few more rails in the other bag. Got some warm kit, probably won't need it, but if not, doubles up as a pillow. Still in the jungle bag, bivvy bag. And that's the setup, complete. So you'll have seen the past few months, I've been absolutely caning these Revolution Race Norone Pro trousers. Proper stoked with them. I've been wearing them like they've been my only pair of trousers that I've got. People have even made comments that I live in them and stuff. Well, they've held up really well so far. I'm really happy with these pockets on the front, because if you go camping and you lay on your side, you don't have to take anything out your pockets. You know, if you're laying on your side and you've got stuff in pockets at the side, they do still have them as well. It's nice to put your hands in, but it's really nice to put your main bits in the front. The hooks for your boot laces on the bottom of the trouser have helped stop ticks and stuff getting up there. Just kept my ankles nice and dry, nice and warm. And the air vents on the side have been a godsend in the nice weather. Really nice to have on there. The only part I was slightly questioning was the stretched knees and the stretched bum, but they've held out really well. The material's as good as new. The whole trouser's awesome. You can wax them if you want as well. I've just kept them as they are, and they're holding up really well. Genuinely stoked with these trousers. Great bit of kit. Put EA Bush 15 for 10% off. It'll be in the description as well. Genuinely great pair of trousers. I'm loving them. I'm on the Buxton Brewery Lupulus X Mosaic. It's a 5.4. So nice to be at the beach, man. I haven't done a beach camp in ages. I've never filmed a beach camp. So to just be chilling on the sand with some decent people and a few beers feels amazing. Doesn't have to be a green space. Get anywhere outdoors and chill out. Cheers. Woo! Decent. It's a beautiful area, it's a beautiful spot. We're on the south coast of England today. We're on the Jurassic coastline, really famous stretch. What a spot to come camping, it's absolutely gorgeous.
The good thing about putting the bait in these cages is it stops the lobsters from tearing the bait apart too quick.
Well done. Where's that bigger filter? Yeah. I'm gonna have to get
Absolute spot.
The coast. Go longer.
Come on, come on.
leave the Maverick Mini alone.
What's your name in the mud? Nate, Mark.
That's so cool. The Fireball does charge a royalty fee. Okay, it's free as long as you don't put me in the shop. Steel.
You guys up to walking all the way over there tomorrow?
Hell yeah!
Just chilling.
It's amazing, man.
How are we going, bro? Introduce yourself.
Yeah, really good, thanks. Liam from Primal Nomad Bushcraft. Absolutely loving it, mate. It is insane. This is such a spectacular location.
What an evening,
I
mate.
know.
What a setting for it.
It's so nice. Got the moon out, just on a lovely beach, good company.
And that's your channel, right?
Yeah, Primal Nomad Bushcraft, yeah. So that's
Check
my
it out.
channel.
I'll stick it in the description.
Thanks so much.
Awesome, man. Let's have a good night.
Hey, steady when you put those claws.
I'll take them off. Okay, what's the method? Is it just straight up boil it and then go?
These, yeah, just boil it. Then you know the crayfish, you can open up like the back,
Yeah,
and then you can reveal the sort of the gut sack.
Yeah.
You can do that with these as well. You just open up the tail.
Yeah. I don't like crayfish a lot. I've never even eaten a lobster, mate.
You're welcome to the. I reckon given a 15-20 seconds.
Everyone.
Oh no, I'm going for a prawn straight away.
Oh, it's annoying. You're like one stone turns into like 12.
Where are we going? Rock pooling?
Yeah, I think so. Have a little look. Have a little look what's in there. See if we can find any little creepy crawlies.
Should be fun, man. Little bit of late night rock pooling. Let's go.
And prawns come in real quick because they can sense the meat. So you could even dip in just a net, like a normal net, and just sit there and hold. What are they? Whelks. Onto the winkles, aren't they? And they're in the pools.
Right.
And they're tiny. Whelks. There's limpets everywhere. Loads of little whelks.
Yeah, loads of.
Yeah, all the limpets over here. You know, we could feed all of us just with this. Just gone underneath there.
Tiny little fish.
There's some big limpets around, so these are all quite little. It's tiny. Just breaks up when you smash them.
Yeah.
You can't get them off. But you can eat that. You can eat that out of there. The meat off that. Foot is the bit that you eat, because that's just a foot and a muscle. But on the other side of the foot, there's all their gut sack. And it's like a little black ball, and you definitely want to pop that off. But they're not the most appetizing thing. They're quite rubbery.
They're a bit like salty rubber.
But yeah, it's like a salty eraser. You know?
Substance.
Yeah, so they're not particularly inspiring, but if you're in a pinch, you could eat them.
Thanks to Through Night for this head torch, by the way. They sponsored it to me for this charity walk. It's nice and sturdy. It's really bright. Thanks very much. Did you find much?
Just a few prawns.
Yeah?
A few prawns and crabs. Pretty much it, yeah.
Awesome.
Pretty cool at night time, the whole rock pool's come alive.
Yeah, wicked. Well, it's been an awesome day and a wicked evening. I'm going to turn the camera off now and enjoy the rest of the night with a couple of beers. I'll see you in the morning. Didn't rain. What a place to wake up. It's beautiful, it's calm out there. Oh, he's on the sausages.
Proper Irish sausages, buddy.
Irish sausages.
Yeah, all the way from Ireland. Yeah, a good drop as well.
Killer, mate.
How was the water? Was it?
It wasn't actually as cold as I expected.
No?
No, I thought it was going to be a lot colder.
That's good to know. I might be tempted. I did bring this.
Just don't
swimming shorts.
hesitate, mate. Just keep
straight
walking,
in.
keep walking, and go for the dive.
That's it, boy.
I was in the bivvy. I'm glad it didn't rain.
No, that's it.
There was a bit of dew on my pillow.
Oh, mate, my lavoo, when I opened up like this morning,
Yeah.
really damp on the outside.
Was it?
Yeah, but good on the inside.
You said it was a good blackout tent, though, right?
Yes. Oh, yeah. I woke up and it was still there, completely black. Just little bits of light indicating this morning.
Awesome.
Got him. On vacation.
Well, that was a wicked camp. I've had an awesome weekend. Cheers to Dustin for inviting me down.
No worries, good
It's
to
been
see you
awesome,
again.
man.
Cheers for coming.
Let's get Dustin to 100,000 subscribers. He's so close.
Really close, like 4,500 subs away.
Go and check him out. I'll leave his link in the description as well. Cheers for watching, guys. Have a good one. See you soon.